Dear students, good morning to everybody. Today we will start another portion of this nitrogen containing compounds, that is organic compounds, that is amines. Next chapter, that is amine. First we have to define what are those amines. We know the formula for that ammonia. Formula for that ammonia, that is NH3. Formula for that ammonia, that is NH3. And whenever these hydrogen atoms of this ammonia that is replaced by that is alkyl group or aryl group, then that is treated as that is amine. That is hydrogen atoms of ammonia that has been replaced by either that is alkyl group or by that aryl group, then that is treated as that is amine. For example, this is the formula for that ammonium, that is NH3. That contain lone pair of photon. This nitrogen atom, that is sp3 hybridized. Nitrogen atom, that is sp3 hybridized. Nitrogen atom that contain 3 hydrogen atoms, that is sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom. Hydrogen atom that is replaced by that RNH2. There is the formation of that RNH2, nitrogen atom that contains lone pair of photon. That is also sp3 hybridized nitrogen atom. So this is treated as that is primary amine. Primary amine. Why primary amine? Because one hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is replaced by that alkyl group, or you can take also that is aryl group. Again another hydrogen atom, that is -H plus R. How to define that amines? Amines are the alkyl or aryl derivative of that ammonia. So in this case, hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is replaced by that R, that is alkyl group. Therefore that is known as primary amine. And whenever two hydrogen atoms that are replaced by two alkyl group, then that will be treated as RRNH. Secondary amine. This is your secondary amine. Similarly, another hydrogen atom that is replaced by another hydrogen atom that is also replaced by that alkyl group, RRR, that is N, nitrogen atom lone pair, -H plus R. In this case also -H plus R. That is hydrogen atoms of the ammonia that is replaced by that alkyl group. So whenever one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that alkyl group, primary amine, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl groups, that is second amine, and all the three hydrogen atoms that has been replaced by that three alkyl group, then that is known as tertiary. That is known as tertiary amine. Primary amine, secondary amine, and tertiary amine. Instead of that R, also we can take that is AR, that is C6H5, that is aryl group, that is aromatic amines. So next we will see how to, for example, how to write down this formula for this compound by taking R, or that is C6H5, etc. For example, CH3NH2, C2H5NH2, or we can take that is CH3 bond CH2, CH2, NH2, or that is CH3 bond CH, NH2, CH3. All the examples of that primary amine. Why primary amine? Because the NH3 hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is replaced by one hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is replaced by that alkyl group. One hydrogen atom that is replaced by that alkyl group, that is known as primary amine. And you know, the amines are known as alkanamines. 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 Amines are otherwise known as alkanamines. So, that is also the examples of that primary amine, because NH3, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that CH3, one hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is replaced by that C2H5, one hydrogen atom of that NH3 that is replaced by that C3H7. Similarly, in this case also, all the examples of that is primary amines. And you know, the amines are known as, that is alkanamines. Amines are known as alkanamines. So, what is the name of this one? Common name is methylamine. Common name is methylamine. Then how to name that alkanamine? That is methana. Methanamine. Alkanamine, that is methanamine. Then C2H5NH2, alkanamine containing 2 carbon atom, alkanamine, 2 carbon atom, that is ethanamine. Then 1, 2, 3. So NH2, that is propanamine, that is named as propan 1-amine, propanamine. Propan 1-amine, that is propanamine. 1, 2, 3. 2 portion that contain NH2, that is propan 2-amine. So these are the compounds, that is alkanamine, methanamine, ethanamine, propanamine. This is also propanamine, but amine group NH2 that occurs at the position 1, that is NH2 group that occurs at the position 2. So propan 1-amine, propan 2-amine. So this is regarding, that is primary amine. Next we see what are these different formula for that secondary amine. Second amine, for example, CH3, NH, CH3. NH3, 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by that 2 methyl group. Or you can take, that is C2H5, NH, C2H5. Or you can take, that is C2H5, NH, that is CH3. Then how to name these compounds? How to name these compounds? These are the examples of that secondary amines. These are the examples of that second amine, because second amines, because 2 hydrogen atoms of that ammonia, that is replaced by that 2 alkyl groups. 2 hydrogen atoms that are replaced by that 2 alkyl groups. So if we will take the formula for this one, this will be the formula for that methanamine. This will be the formula for that ethanamine. This will be the formula for that ethanamine. If we will remove this methyl group, then this will be your NH2. Then methanamine. This will be ethanamine. This will be ethanamine. And from this nitrogen atom, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that alkyl group. One hydrogen atom that is replaced by that alkyl group. Therefore, that is named as N-methyl. If this group is not there, then that is named as methanamine. If this group is not there, if CH3 group is not there, then this compound that is named as methanamine. So this methanamine, nitrogen atom, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that, from that nitrogen atom, one hydrogen atom is replaced by that methyl group. Therefore, that is named as N-methyl. N-methyl means nitrogen atom, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that methyl group. If this group is not there, what is the name of this compound? If this group is not there, what is the name of this compound? C2H5NH2. There should be NH2. Then that is ethanamine. This will be ethanamine. And from that ethanamine, this nitrogen atom that is replaced by that ethyl group. Then it is named as N-ethyl. This is the formula for that ethanamine. This is the formula for that ethanamine. And from this nitrogen atom, this hydrogen atom that is replaced by that ethyl group, then that is named as N-ethyl ethanamine. N-ethyl ethanamine. Then how to name this compound? This is named as, that is C2H5NH2. If this group is not there, if CH3 group is not there, this will be your NH2. Then that is named as C2H5NH2. That is ethanamine. And from that ethanamine, the hydrogen atom from that nitrogen atom is replaced by that methyl group. So the position of that methyl group is at nitrogen. Therefore, that is named as N-methyl. So this is named as ethanamine. Ethanamine. This is named as ethanamine. And from this nitrogen atom, hydrogen atom is replaced by that methyl, N-methyl. N-methyl ethanamine. So this is the naming of that secondary amines. That is amines that is generally named as that is alkanamines. So this is primary amine, methanamine, ethanamine, that is propan 1 amine, propan 2 amine. NH2 group that occurs at the position 2, position isomers. These two are the position isomers. There is a change of the position of that NH2, position isomers, these two. Then if we will take the second amine, in case of second amine, the hydrogen atom from that nitrogen atom, hydrogen atom of nitrogen is replaced by that alkyl group. Therefore, that is known as N-alkyl. N-methyl methanamine, N-ethyl ethanamine, N-methyl ethanamine. Next we will go for the naming of the tertiary amines. Tertiary amines, for example, CH3, N, CH3, CH3. How to name this compound? Or we can take C2H5, N, C2H5, C2H5. Or we can take C2H5, bond N, CH3, that is C2H5. Or we can take, that is C2H5, bond N, CH3, that is CH3. So all they are the examples of that tertiary amines, because all the hydrogen atoms that is attached to nitrogen of that ammonia, that is replaced by that alkyl groups. All they are the examples of that alkyl groups. All the 3 hydrogen atoms that has been removed. All the 3 hydrogen atoms that has been removed, and these 3 hydrogen atoms that has been replaced by that alkyl group. Then how to name these compounds? How to name this one? If these 2 alkyl groups are not there, if these 2 alkyl groups are not there, then that will be named as methanamine. CH3NH2, that will be methanamine. So from that nitrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by that 2 alkyl group. Therefore, that is named as N-methyl methanamine. So this is the formula for that methanamine. From this nitrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by that 2 alkyl group. N-methyl, NN dimethyl methanamine. So this is named as NN. NN means from this nitrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced by that methyl and methyl. Same, that is NN dimethyl. NN dimethyl methanamine. N-methyl, N-methyl, NN dimethyl methanamine. So next one, if these two groups are not there, if these two groups are not there, then that is treated as ethanamine, C2H5NH2, ethanamine. So these two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the two alkyl group. Then NN diethyl, N-ethyl, N-ethyl, NN diethyl ethanamine. N-ethyl, 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 N-ethyl ethanamine, NN diethyl ethanamine. Similarly, if we take, if these two groups are not there, then C2H5NH2, that is ethanamine. So from this ethanamine, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by, one is replaced by methyl group, another is replaced by that ethyl group. And if we alphabetically arrange, then N-ethyl, N-methyl. This is the formula for that ethanamine. This is the formula for that C2H5NH2, ethanamine. Two hydrogen atoms are replaced by, one is replaced by methyl, another is replaced by ethyl. So that is named as N-ethyl, N-methyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, ethanamine. N-ethyl, N-methyl, ethanamine. Then what is the name of this last one? 2. This is the formula for that. This is the formula for ethanamine, C2H5NH2, ethanamine. So two hydrogen atoms that has been replaced by, one hydrogen is replaced by methyl, another hydrogen atom that is replaced by methyl. So that is N-methyl, N-methyl, NN dimethyl ethanamine, NN dimethyl, N-methyl, N-methyl, NN dimethyl ethanamine, N-methyl, N-methyl, NN dimethyl ethanamine. So these are all the examples of that tertiary amine. Why tertiary amine? Because all the hydrogen atoms of that ammonia, NH3, all the three hydrogen atoms of that ammonia, that is replaced by that alkyl group. Therefore, these are the formula for that tertiary amine, where all three hydrogen atoms that is replaced by that alkyl group. These are the examples of that second amine. These are the examples of that second amine, because two hydrogen atoms of that ammonia that is replaced by that two alkyl groups. Two hydrogen atoms of ammonia, NH3, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two alkyl group. Then these are the examples of that is primary amine. These are the examples of that primary amine, because one hydrogen atom of that ammonia, NH3, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that alkyl group. Therefore, primary, second and tertiary amine, that is on the basis of, that is not on the basis of degree of the carbon atom to which the NH group is attached, rather it is on the basis of how many number of, that is hydrogen atoms of that ammonia that is replaced by, that is alkyl or aryl group. That is regarding, that is different types of amines, primary, definition of that amine and different type of amines. Next we say that is aroma, some examples of that aromatic amines. Next we say some of the examples of them, that is benzene or NH3, that is one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that C6H5. NH3, for example, if we take that NH3, that is ammonia, one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that C6H5 group. So this compound that is named as aniline, this compound that is known as aniline. So if we take that is NH2, that is NH2 that is CH3. So whenever there is the presence of that CH3, that is known as toluene. Benzene that contains CH3, that is known as toluene. Benzene that contains NH2, that is known as aniline. This is your aniline, this is the toluene. So this is known as, or there is the presence of that NH2 and CH3 group at the ortho position. Therefore, that is treated as OH, that is NH2 group and CH3 that occurs at the ortho position. That is 1,2 position. Therefore, that is O toluidine. O toluidine, or you can take that is a meta. NH2, that is CH3, NH2 and CH, that is meta toluidine, or you can take that is P, that is P toluidine, NH2 and CH3 at para position, that is para, ortho meta para. So whenever the ammonia, that is NH3 group, one of the hydrogen atom that is replaced by that C6H5, that is aryl group, phenyl group, then it is known as aniline. That is known as aniline. So in case of aniline, again, if one hydrogen atom from the ortho position that is replaced by that CH3, that is O toluidine, meta position M toluidine, para position that is P toluidine. O toluidine, M toluidine and P toluidine, ortho, meta and para. So next one we will see some naming of this compound. For example, that is CH3 bond CH2 bond CH, NH2 bond CH2 bond CH3. What is the name of this compound? So if we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or if we will take that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is named as pentan alkanamine, pentanamine, pentan 3-amine, pentan 3-amine, NH2 group that occurs at the position 3, that is named as pentan 3-amine, alkanamine, pentan 3-amine. If one hydrogen atom of that ammonia, that is NH2 group, that is replaced by that CH3, we will give simple example. From this simple example, we will do some of this complex example, naming of some complex examples. CH3, CH2, CH, N, NH, NH, that is CH3. Then CH2, CH3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then that is named as N-methyl. If this group is not there, then that is pentan 3-amine. This will be NH2, pentan 3-amine. So from that pentan 3-amine, nitrogen atom that contains methyl, N-methyl, pentan 3-amine. N-methyl pentan 3-amine. Similarly, if we take that is CH3 bond CH2 bond CH, N, that is CH3 C2H5 bond CH2 bond CH3. If we take the example of this kind, if these two groups are not there, if we number this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if these two groups are not there, then that is named as pentan 3-amine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 positions that contain NH2, pentan 3-amine, pentan 3-amine. So this NH2, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by ethyl group and methyl group. Then what will be the name of this compound? N, if this group is not there, then that is named as pentan 3-amine. Pentan 3-amine. Pentan 3-amine. So from this nitrogen atom, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by the two alkyl group, that is N-ethyl, N-methyl. N-ethyl, N-methyl, pentan 3-amine. N-ethyl, N-methyl, pentan 3-amine. If we will take again the substitution at these positions again, at these different positions, then what will happen? For example, that is CH3, CH, CH3, that is CH bond N, CH3, C2H5 bond CH, CH3, that is CH3. How to name this compound? This is one of the complicated example. We have started from that simple example. Hydrogen atom of that ammonia, that is hydrogen atom of that nitrogen atom. Hydrogen atom from nitrogen atom, that is replaced by one methyl group to methyl and ethyl group, and again methyl and ethyl, and also from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is from the position 2 and 4. From the position 2 and 4, the hydrogen atoms, they have been replaced by that alkyl group. Then what will be the name of this compound? Mark it. If this group is not there, this group is not there, this is also not there, this is not also there, what will be the name of this compound? If all these groups are not there, if this group is not there, then this will be NH2. If this group is not there, then it will be CH2. If this group is not there, then this will be CH2. Then how to name this compound if these groups are not there? That is named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentan 3-amine. That is named as pentan 3-amine. That is named as pentan 3-amine. If these groups are not there, then that is named as pentan 3-amine. So in this case, what will happen? The hydrogen atom from 2 carbon atom is replaced by CH3. Hydrogen atom from the 4th carbon atom, that is replaced by that CH3. Hydrogen atom from this nitrogen atoms, one is replaced by that CH3, another that is replaced by that ethyl. So N-ethyl, name of this compound, that is N-ethyl. N-ethyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, 2-methyl, 4-methyl. N-ethyl, N-methyl, 2-methyl, 4-methyl. So that is named as N-ethyl 2,4-N trimethyl. N-methyl, 2-methyl, 4-methyl. N2,4 trimethyl. Or you can write that N24 trimethyl pentan 3-amine. So the compound is named as pentan 3-amine. If the groups are not there, if these groups are not there, that is, if the substituents are not there, then the name of the compound that is made as, that is pentan 3-amine. Then methyl group, one hydrogen atom from this hydrogen atom, that is replaced by methyl, another hydrogen atom by ethyl, that is from the 2 carbon atom, hydrogen atom is replaced by that methyl, from 4th carbon atom, hydrogen atom that is replaced by that methyl. Then how to name this compound? 2,4-N or N24 trimethyl and another N-ethyl. So N-ethyl, N24 trimethyl pentan 3-amine. So these are the naming of these different compounds. So this is regarding the definition for that amine. What are amines? Amines are the alkyl or aryl derivative of that ammonia, where hydrogen atom of that ammonia that is by, that is alkyl group or aryl group. So whenever one hydrogen atom that is replaced by that one alkyl group, that is primary, 2 hydrogen atoms then secondary, and all the 3 hydrogen atoms of that ammonia that is replaced by 2 alkyl groups or 3 alkyl groups or aryl groups etc., then that is tertiary. Next, we have given the naming of these compounds. Amines are known as alkanamines, and we have given certain examples related to the naming of these compounds. So this is regarding that naming and definition of the amine. The coming class will start regarding the methods of preparation of that amines and aniline. Thank you all.